Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over our stock picks for the week of February 28th through March the 4th. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. Alright guys, so before we get into the picks for this upcoming week, we're going to talk about a recap of last week. Basically, all I did was I added more to my current positions. I did buy more SHIB twice last week, and added more to IQST, and I added more to EEENF. So my picks for this week are EEENF, Tellurian, and Planet 13 PLHF. And Triple E, I think that we're going to have an announcement any day now as far as when they're going to start the spudding of that second well. And I think that our cup and handle pattern is shaping up just like we were kind of hoping for. So if we can get some buying pressure and some news early this week, then I think that it should easily springboard us to, 4, maybe 5 cents, and then who knows from there. Okay, Tellurian is setting up, I think, for a decent swing play. We'll take a look at the charts on that. That's one that we've called out before. That's actually doubled after it's kind of settled for a while, and at these price points, I think it's setting up for a decent swing play opportunity. And then Planet 13's been beaten down for a while, and I'm going to show you on the charts while I think that it may be an interesting swing play opportunity. So we'll kind of go from there. On the watch list is CLNE, CEI, and ZNOG. The top two here had some good spikes up last week, and we're just going to kind of go over the key support levels that you have to watch for to see if it's going to continue to move to the upside. And ZNOG kind of caught me off guard on Friday, I'm not going to lie. I thought we were going to come down all the way down to about 10 cents and then just kind of settle, because we had this big spike up and we started slowly coming down, and then all of a sudden, man, it spiked back up to 13 cents at the close. So I think that coming in on Monday, it'll be interesting to see exactly how we react. If it comes out swinging on Monday, that'll be very interesting, and kind of fun to watch to see where it goes moving forward. Not going to do anything on the charts on ZNOG because I did a video breaking the technicals down already. You can watch that video popping up here in the right hand corner of your screen if you want to take a look at that. So those are my picks and my watch list for the week, guys. Let's take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. Alright guys, so taking a look at EEENF. We've gone over this several times, and I'll show you again as we're setting up nice for a cup and handle pattern right here. We got all the way to almost 4 cents. We fell back down, and we bounced off of that 2.5 cent mark, and now we're starting to kind of make our way up to the upside. So hoping that we can again get some news and we can springboard well above that 4 cent mark in the near future. But I did buy some more here last week, so we're just kind of waiting it out and seeing where we go from here. So currently at about fair value, we are crossing over from bearish to bullish, and we're just kind of getting started on that aspect. So we can get a little bit more volume, a little bit more buying pressure, and that should easily bring us well above 3 cents, maybe into the 3.5 to 4 cent mark. Okay, next up is Tellurian, ticker symbol TELL. We had a big spike up, and I actually need to redraw the fib level on this one here, so give me 1 second. So the low of 223, and then you're going to have a high of 496, which is going to be actually updated again fairly soon. So your new high will probably be about 477. So we did bust above 327, which is a good sign, but we are currently at about overvalued, starting to kind of lose some steam. So I would wait for it to see where we pull back. I think we may pull back at around $3, maybe even the 290 to 280 level. But if we fall down here, we bounce off of $3, that might be a decent entry, and just put like a tight stop loss on it. And if we bust above and hold above 327, then that'll be a really, really good sign moving forward. But I think if we do pull back, potentially, I think we'll go for sure below 327, maybe down to like $3. And if it bounces off of there again, maybe put like a 5-6% stop loss and see if you can ride it up maybe like to 350 and kind of go from there. But as long as it stays above about 280 over that red SMA line, you're in good shape on that one there. So next up is Planet 13 Holdings. And we look here, it's been beat down ever since it got to 728. And we did hit the bottom of 235 a couple of times. So 1, 2, and now recently a third time here. And we're starting to cross over from bearish to bullish, and we're getting very, very close. The thing is, there's not much volume on it. So you kind of want to see how it reacts on Monday on the open. We did get a buy signal here, buy signal here. So it makes for a decent swing play if you get in here. And then, depending on how much money you put in, it can make, you know, decent amount if you put some money in and ride it. Maybe it's like the $3 or $3.20 level, which is where the red SMA line is. Because if it gets rejected, chances are that's where it'll get rejected first, because we are still in a downtrend currently right now. Okay, we'll look at CEI. We talked about that one. It busted above the red SMA line. Key thing here is you want to see if it bounces off of there and moves forward. If it doesn't, if it breaks below about 63 or 62.5 cents, potentially it's going to come back down, and that spike is not going to be much. It will probably come back and test that 32-cent level. If it does bounce off of there, that makes for an interesting swing, and maybe holding it to about $1, $1.20 before taking profits on it. CLNE, kind of the same thing here, guys. We're overvalued, so I do expect a pullback. Your current level of support should be about 640, and then 774 is going to be your overall key resistance level. So anyway, like I said, Zeno G technical is in the video that I shared earlier at the top right. That one there is, gone over several different videos of the technicals, and not much has changed. So I think you can go back and look at those. But that's what I got for this week, guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.